In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in DaVinci Resolve. Adding an image to your project in DaVinci Resolve is a very simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. This is useful if you want to include a photo, a logo, a screenshot, or any other still image in your video edit. To get started, go to your media pool. This is the area where all of your project files are stored and organized, including your video clips, audio, and images. If your image has already been imported into the project, you'll be able to find it here. Take a moment to look through your media and locate the exact image you want to use. Once you've found the image you'd like to add, click on it and drag it directly from the media pool down to your timeline. Then simply drop it into the position where you want it to appear in your edit. As soon as you place it on the timeline, the image becomes part of your sequence, just like a video clip would. That's really all there is to it. DaVinci Resolve treats still images very much like other types of media, so dragging and dropping is the fastest and easiest way to add them to your project. A helpful tip while doing this is to make sure you drop the image onto the correct track and in the correct location on the timeline, especially if you're working on a more complex edit. If you place it in the wrong spot, you can always click and drag it again to reposition it. If your image appears too short or too long once it's on the timeline, you can adjust its duration later by dragging the edge of the image clip. But the main step for adding it is simply finding it in the media pool and dropping it where you want it. So to quickly recap, you go to the media pool, find the image you want to use, click and drag it onto your timeline and drop it into place. That's it. Now you know how to add images in DaVinci Resolve, and you can use the same method anytime you want to bring still graphics or photos into your edit.